while since I've done a dehydrating video. Let's dehydrate some oregano. First, now I've already washed my sink out. I did that before I went outside. I'm gonna fill my sink up with some water. And then of course I'm gonna put some Norwex produce wash in there. This stuff here, why? That's fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna drop my oregano in. I'm gonna let it soak. I'm gonna let it get all clean. Oops, water's a little hot. You don't want it too hot, you don't want it too cold. Okay, we'll be back in a little bit after this stuff has soaked. Okay, so they have soaked. They have been beaten around. Now it is time to spin and get them going on the dehydrator. Just gonna get a handful in here. Oh, more than a handful, it's a couple handfuls, but you know what I'm saying. Can you see that? Hang on. You see? Yeah, you can kind of see how dirty that water is. Right there we go. Hey, that's gross. Okay, so I'm going to finish spinning these up. Be right back. Okay, I've decided I'm actually going to give these a second washing because of how dirty that water is. The worst part is it's not really picking up on camera. It is very, very dark. So we're going to wash these again. Okay, that's a little better. It is now picking up how dirty that water is. I switched to my phone to see if it would make a difference. Yeah, they're getting washed again. Because if that's the first washing, let's get some more off there. Alright, second rinse is done. The water has come out so much cleaner. We're going to take it and get it on the dehydrator now. Okay, whoops. And now we're gonna leave it plugged in. I have it set to 115, and we're gonna let this run for, it'll probably be a couple days. So we'll be back. All right, it took 2 days, but it is all dry now. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it is all nice and dry. All right, so there we go. Dehydrating oregano. And I have many more herbs and everything else to do, so there will be more coming. And there we go. The oregano is dehydrated and dried, and it's going to be glorious. Now, as out of curiosity, how do you guys do yours? Do you strip it before you dehydrate it? Or are you like me and you dehydrate it and then you put a movie on and you strip it as you're just watching the shows? And that way you're kind of doing two things at once? Let me know down below. Okay, so don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye.